Students will discuss about, will take few questions on equivalent resistance. Question number 4. We'll take 2-3 numericals on each type. So this is another type, equivalent resistance. Before you start, you must know that if there are two resistors in series, resistance R1 and R2, the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2. If they are in parallel, then equivalent resistance is the product of the two numbers and divided by the sum. Now the question is, find the equivalent resistance of this how to make this. Then okay, I'll draw like this and like this. The question is, find the equivalent resistance between the two points A and B. If this resistance is, suppose I will take 2R, this I will take 2R, this I will take R. How to solve this type of questions? Now this is a connecting wire, so there is no resistance over here. Its resistance is nearly 0. So every connecting wire has resistance 0. Then we have to name those nodal points or connecting points and the junctions, and see if we can simplify the seemingly looking a different circuit into a simple form. Suppose this is A. If I call it A, then this is also A, because this is the same wire. If this is B, then this is also B. So I have 2 points, A and B. And now let us start connecting all 3 resistors according, and here A and B. In between A and B there is one resistor to R. Again between B and A there is one resistor to R. Same point to R. Is it A? B. Again between A and B there is another resistance R. That means these 3 resistors are in parallel. Now it is easy to solve. 1 upon R equivalent is 1 upon R plus 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R. If I can find the equivalent resistance of these two, this will be R. By this method, if I can find the equivalent resistance of these two first, then also you can solve, otherwise you can do this way. So let us do that way. 1 by R common. This is 1 and this is also 1, that is 2. So 2 by R. So that implies R equivalent is R by 2. This is the answer to this question. Let us take one more question. Question number 5. Suppose there is a battery over here and the resistance here. There is another resistance here, another resistance over here, another battery over here. Two. Let us make it 3. 3 ohm. Now the question is, what is the current in 3 ohm? Now the current here in this branch. Now let us see how the current can be distributed over here. Current coming from here will definitely coming here will be divided. Something will go like this and something will come like this. The problem in this circuit is that if current goes like this, then okay, it might go like that or it might go like that. Again, current from here also come like this. Definitely will go like that. Then some part has to come like this. That means you cannot have a path in which the current will move from this side to this side, and also in the same path the current is coming from this side to this side. It is not possible. So current cannot go like this and come like this. That means in the same path this cannot have two directions. On the other hand, those resistance which are in closed loop, in those only current will flow. Here it is in closed loop. Here this is in closed loop. The current definitely is going to flow in this branch. It will be like this only. Here also it will be like this, but there is no closed path for this resistance. So 3 ohm resistance is not in closed path. The solution is the 3 ohm resistors are not in closed loop. So no current passes through 3 ohm. The answer is I through 3 ohm is 0. Okay. I can take one more example. Question number 6. Suppose I have a circuit like this. 1 ohm. I have 2 ohm. 1 ohm. 3 ohm. This is 12 volt battery. Now it is easy to find current at any branch or potential drop and everything else. The question is, if I connect a wire like this, idle wire. This is what? A idle wire is one whose resistance is 0. It's negligible, we call it 0 resistance. Then what will happen? Then two things can be asked. R equivalent and the current in 3 ohm resistors. As the current starts coming from here, it will divide. But thing is that when you connect directly a wire between 2 points in a circuit, it is called short circuit. So this is actually what is done here. Short circuit. In a short circuit means you connect any 2 points with a idle wire, or wire having 0 resistance. If it is connected with 0 resistance, then all the current will flow. The current always follows the path of least resistance. So because this resistance is 0, most of the current will pass through this path. So the current coming from this battery will bypass these 3 resistors and directly go through this. If the current coming from here is I, then it will directly go through this. The current is infinite if there is no internal resistance.